Milan, Milan, Milan in the morning, Milan in the afternoon, Milan, Milan, Milan when the sun goes down.
Papa and mommy them, my brother them, my sister them, when I welcome for Ask Question. For today for Ask Question, we do something with the worry way. Something with the worry way too much. Since where this year start, trouble not enter for the revolution plenty. Plenty trouble not enter there. Yet, Papa God don't always show we road for go. We don't always check this so you don't check out, but you want to see new solution come out. And that's so you don't always do, that's so you continue for the day. At the moment, right now so, for this moon, now the moon, 5 months for this for the year, America end so. They want end so, we small trouble day. Trouble day because the people they don't talk to them, they coach them, people that want to coach left, want to coach right. So they be like that division the rule way. Yeah? Interim president, acting president, Dr. Sako, they don't give me some project, they come and say my trip to Boya. Say me Edman prepare, me Edman shake skin. So that me could join me for gonna finish this last fight for make sure so we change the game for ground zero. Yeah? So now we duty for Shidong all together for join hand. Say me the go before we follow the support team. But it don't mean say what would follow big man, we don't cover our eye. We head on brain don't stop for check. We don't mean say we don't forget for the things SF. Because God give each man 2 eyes. And each man give brain. Left brain, right brain. When me say when big man they look for front they go, we won't eye them. We will go other eye them, but we too will look for left, we look for right, and especially we look for a back. If man will look for back, you know you see fine. When enemy come from back, let me go attack we. No, so the palava go there. As they come now for Naira, for January, they can't take the big man for that time. Yeah, they can't take them, catch them, take them they go. If you be say now a team where people they be the open eye for look at, if we be sabi, with the sense we don't get them today, they know we don't do things them. Now with that palava way, plenty of trouble with them today don't they? I want to first of all to thank all that we strong boy them and get them for ground zero, whether they do all things. Formations of the revolution they go before. Because now they put power, now they really give the Republic sleepless night, now they teach them lesson. We only give them moral support and for contribute from a trip to Boya and other means them. From here, so this will me support day. But now they really mash fire. Now they mash fire. So congratulations. Make we pray for all on our way on a different day. So, and then the one day where they don't go before, make their spirit, their blood, make it continue for showy road. So that we go push this fight to the end. Make sure this so the Republic are always supported them, or France or whatever people them. So they will be defeated. They will live for country, live in territory. Now, who don't talk that one finish? We say this so the amount of support where they at the moment, for people be more. If people will be sincere to each for themselves, people they really play pacha, or they really play film, they really try for I don't have to talk for dribble or dribble whatever. Who will come for that power where interim government it be suspend some remember them so for the society they know the cooperate again with the interim government and people already for the government. Yes, now government don't take the decision so whether I like it or not, the decision is done, the government don't take it so. But it don't mean I say the decision what the government take on, because the government don't take on, it must be correct. Now government don't take a decision depending on how you analyze the situation. But I don't get plenty call them, plenty message them for people them. Whether they turn for ask me say this so what it be really wrong, they really feel fine. See something not really fine. I don't try my best for try for all my put my ear for write people that they be important for the palava for get information. And to do what they so now for talk to this my own conclusion my own conclusion, I say this so that palaver where they be say commission, presidential commission, be in try for research for find out what will be happen for there. That commission, a decision, is still there on hold. It never finish because it never finish so. That report where they be give we, where president we can't talk say they don't take decision for suspension for them. Me, according to my own finding, my own result, my answer I say this so that decision, if it be only a political decision, it not been a decision where it not really hold ground. But the president know why he take that kind of decision because now he lead this revolution. So now he get to analyze, now he get for waiting for no say so do at the moment he as president he no go fit accept any other solution than that one. So that is why I want to challenge him because president don't talk. But when president talk, it no mean I say so we lose we individuality because that talk being I say so make IG make it not the get to do other people. But it no mean I say individual people like man like me. I don't feel me say I be banned for that law because I don't do me for IG. So I gave my hand free for Google interact with any person I like them. And that's what I don't do. Because I don't go for the other side to go over here that to read them. Why they claim say this so for example, Muteke Comrade Milan, they talk say you know cooperate with the investigation committee. Where according to Comrade Milan and he don't show prove them. Now lie. He say he be the do am, but they woke up claim say they do am. So the palaver just end so. Okay, no more place for Georgia. But I want to say so that palaver, it be like say it be hook with another one again. Because they don't hook up now. South Africa, where Comrade Milan did it, they don't come up with their plan for bring how for take revolution go before. Who knows this was South African, and they don't actually that the most dynamic, that the active after ground zero, now South Africa come. After ground zero, now South Africa follow. Then maybe Europe this small. Then when Oman go, stay then America they come. So list there for activity them. According to people their size and their potential, the thing what they do. When it come to activity for push revolution go front, now South Africa come for diaspora number one place. No man no day for no place no day. Belgium we don't make on time we don't day, but Belgium just well, I don't know, maybe it's just lost in Europe. But the fact says South Africa, now for the way Milan day, some big controversy don't come away. It hurt me personally, because people that should not for they come out idea, they try to say the thing push revolution front, but just because say Milan day for day, anything where they talk they say na Milan, so they just ban they say na voting, na trouble, na this and that, na they work with La Republic, nonsense. I find it very very bad. Because it not be fair. I feel imagine so we would do for Germany for example, then German begin the way they really strong, they travel for do what they do. Then me I go blunder, or I not blunder, or I talk continue. And this video I talk about now so. And know some people in there will come out take and now they go take me to hang for rope, so they want to finish me. Me then just try that so. Then they will come and say, I left Germany, so Germany will be condemned. If not so want to revolution, work. Because we know if you come so Joe the hook up Joe draw and say, any man waiting for this side, na bad man. Any man for that side, na good man. And then they work so. It come for the same thing to where they hook up say because say your papa or your mommy na Bamileke or na francophone, you are automatically a bad man. You be Fumban, you automatically a bad man. It need to work so. Because if the revolution been a power of your papa come for mommy come for Amazonia, like I'm not teasing that so all the biggest enemy they were in there for La Republic. They will play the today. Actually, all the Tanganji them, Philemon Young, Muna them, all of them do the year so. Now, because they were the born for Bamileke country, the born for Francophone country, all of them are not picking them. But they behave as they behave. That's what they. So, who can condemn someone say because he get family when not Amazonian. Because of that, you just condemn me. It's not correct. I will condemn us to go finish them. It's not correct. I also put it for IG the year because I'm a challenge. I mean, the next time of it, no man one cough. It's not correct. Nobody say they do. If you want to scatter society, just scatter them. Because I stand here, so I be one too. Now take me condemn because I get public a relative inside my family. Then we will see how we will carry all the begin the way they support for this revolution go before. Ambassador begin na begin way he don't choose his side. He support Ambassador from the beginning to they go. The one the way they don't decide to know for the Ambassador. Where they born for day. They don't go there. Or they do nothing. They instead go a person. They go say we instead. So that thing for talk say so they condemn people then because their papa or their mommy na non-Ambassador. It be very wrong. I know the day. Number 2, we should not be big meeting. Person make bad video we condemn Milan. Yeah? For your own way, the shout someone was me and kill you. Someone was me and kill you. I beg. That's so wrong go. That's so wrong do. Government talk say they suspend me now with interim government. Okay. We say government give a reason, now you want to know. It's not for the government must tell we. But they can't tell we the day we freedom they for talk. But the text just they don't want to make cooperate with any person. So now all I know. But say they condemn me. So they even talk to the finding guilty as you go for social media now. Any play the young man shout that man, bad man, I don't say we. With no money bring one proof. Just character assassination. Just the judge ruin man. That very man way. The character last year so he would call us hero. Because Naid play big role for form Scapus they go from interim government. The joke come now you say Naid don't say we. So if you want to say we now you can't say why they don't say we that way we start beginning where we don't know a road for go front and back. And that time you don't say we then now you say we. All that any video they inside this revolution where they hate them because he gets sense. And that's all about it. They hate him because he gets sense past plenty of them. They want to stop him. Yeah, they want to stop me. Let me talk him. I don't go find my own investigation until I don't see him. And another problem I say so, this palaver say the cash should be big man from Nigeria go. It just can't make power shift go to America. America na play where they don't even do nothing there. There's some play where they come to the revolution. Me America they show to they don't do. They don't show them. But now America get power. South Africa when they don't be always be mobilized, they will come say they will come now for just but come Milan they the one for first win at South Africa. Now what kind of ballot this? They say SCBC na Milan property. Me, I never SCBC board. Like Germany put me there, no Milan choose me. And that board, that SCBC no belong to any Milan. Now they inside, we don't talk and play the time tire. But people they still bring this rubbish. They always bring them because they want only for this sport for fine, give the dog bad name so they will hang me. Nobody they do. Because this policy for hook up the condemned man, just because of his name, just condemn, no proof. It's not good because that man to get on people them. It get on people they do the work for background, they do things them. When you condemn me, that people a bit discouraged. And they tell me because of my experience. I don't get a lot of feedback. The people don't call, they ask me what did happen, what is wrong. I even hear some one way they really worry me and say some group they don't contribute money for this revolution, they no one get for IG because of the palaver, this in here. How they would know? How will I go before if they can this unity there? How? Now they back, at the back. Any man will get ear, make it hear. Any man will get eye, make it see. If not, revolution will have trouble. But as chairman, as we begin with the talk that time, Sisiko, if we talk say the revolution, it passed all man. Even ESSF. These are they come, they go, but revolution they stay. So anybody have interim government, yeah, interim government are people that are think. Now we government. But the people that get the responsibility inside government, if they don't have to use them, fine. If they want to use them for protect themselves or for decide that okay, me I have for government, you don't have for government, you will do na bad thing, I condemn you. It no work. It no work. Because that as you enter that government, so as someone to be put you there. And you remember of a community, and that community until they see you, they know, and that community to interact with the rest of the world. So your own last go open too, and then you will find yourself in serious trouble. As they talk of the Bible, they will bring some woman, some a shower for Jesus. Say that you don't commit adultery or whatever thing you don't do. Say me, according to tradition, they get to stony, they get to take stone key there. So, they say me Jesus talk, me judge. Jesus bend down, take a finger, begin to write for ground. That's the Bible tell we. It talks say, any man who never sinned before, make it take the first stone, he should do man day. They bend that head now, begin to draw for down. Time don't finish, you want look, oh man don't go. Ha! He asked the woman say, Nyango, na you are there, what's that for the day? Now Nyango say, they don't go, oh, sir. Jesus said, okay, let me too, I know will shoot you with stone. When we know that Jesus, you know, get sin. But he decide for no shoot stone. I hope say, even Muslim them, we not hear, we not the phone, but they read the Bible. That story, you enter the head too. And again, it there for some play for wood, let us school say, man when they stay inside glass house. Yeah, if your house get glass, then plenty. Then stone not going to be a friend who, especially stone where the fly. Because, you know, no. Now I stay with glass house, may not always stone. That's what they teach me for school. What did I try to talk? I try to talk and say this, so, yes, now true say, interim government that leader for this palaver, that won't be anything. When you go for motor park, yeah, you go for motor park, a boss don't start, it is steam, tum. You do one come or enter, you call kako. Motor boys don't tell you so, you know what enter, there kako, you add 200 francs. Your motor boys are the quarter. Your motor boys are the quarter. You go don't ask me then change driver. You go say me then change driver. The question I ask them. What I'm going to say is so, even if that service with that boss you get it not be perfect. But you know me say you go change driver. Because that driver at that moment, now you be the driver going to tell the motor go the play they go. So if you want to tell the motor, according to that motor boy, you get to fulfill some condition. And the question I say that condition that motor boy again. Now to two condition. Now you always say put them important for them or driver know about them. Now see question what I ask them. After all, ask question. So, to my time I say so, if this revolution won't go before, we need many hands on board. I never hear from any person till today where he talks to this so he get solution, where he know the contract for go where. I never talk him, I never see him. At the moment, the solution where they for table, now, which we big man, Dr. Sako, my trip to Boya. Naive the moment that discussion. So we hope say una plenty we don't contribute. We hope so because it's my trip for Boya. It will give you plenty answer them. You understand? When we don't go teacher really hear France them some lesson them, they will start the cough, the vomit, all that with people that don't arrest them. Starting from a big man, Sisiko, Professor Awasum, yeah, doing card, what up with them. And tell us in this way, this palaver, it be very serious. More no come just you don't all inside talk say okay, I be IG, then you just condemn people then because they really talking way, you according to you, know they fit into IG plan. Tell me this people for South Africa, they contact me with their plan for the new group scope. They will contact me long before discussion even come out there, before you had the main noise for social media, so they don't contact me. So a big witness will say that's the new thing, new thing where they just create a little so. They don't inform me, so this is what they have, may I look through. And I will make comment for them. I talk to them, so the idea it be good, and the idea it be good, but at the timing. If they bring her out now, where Oman concentrate for follow big man, Dr. Sako, for my trip to Boya, it will look like say the one challenge system. Now the advisor began for this my people that was South Africa. I say nothing that will happen. They will now wait first. Well, they'll say no, the time will not ever be perfect because inside revolution, when they go according to how the thing that they develop. Now their team. And South Africa don't always prove it worth. As far as I know, they don't contribute plenty of money for my trip to Boya. As far as I know. That one I told them of it is Twitter. So, for who go point finger and say they so because they don't create scope, they against government. That one has some cheap argument, has some cheap, for me that's hypocrisy. Yeah? Na lie. Because someone will carry plenty money give you for support your own project there, then don't tell you so do one on my own do I want for join inside you don't say I own a bad one. But you take the money. Then you say you don't have to do thing with you. Because say inside a group, some person there will not like him. But the money they get will take him. We need money for ground zero. Now all that. What are the money come on for whose side, come on whose side? Even the Republic have for bribe, when I take him, that's so buy we travel. Now back and buy hanyan. Yeah, now take and buy hanyan and granite. And the other back, any man when I control that money, if he fit put them, buy plenty travel, buy plenty hanyan, put on granite, make them avoid them for ground zero, make them take me go boya. Because as we stand now, so hungry do we. Hungry do we be so lonely for the white man country. It don't too much. It don't too much. We want go back for one country. Yeah, we want go back. So we need all the support we need that we go give them. Now at the back, any man there for your own side, me any man up your eye. When I say so, we need to put hand on deck. Yeah, me people don't begin a complicated life. Not a complicated life. The truth will always come out. They say they accuse me and say I pass except we leadership for Nigeria. I still think the things say so. Now because they really hate that Milan, they really hate you because they say the man as some Superman. Milan as some Superman where I saw the God. I think say the man be open some healing school where any man come there don't touch you, he will just wear because be Super Milan. Why? Because for arrest that way people them for no other day for this modern time of technology where any man feel local you where your telephone. I tell you God. For you who come to say because the arrest person then you accuse other man will go in be dead. Where is supposed to be there is seller and that is why not be dead. So if they go pick it too, now if you say, oh okay, since we need to be there to them say you know not being sell and catch them. So when you underestimate this power is not God be ordained. I'm not going to talk from the beginning. This we revolution that God ordained. Think the way that happened that God did make up. Even though we saw the Republic, we don't crush with things. But I remember for December 2016, Honorable we talk say when we go arise, when Southern Cameroon they will stand up, the Republic go even call me France can add their own army on top, but you know will change anything. No, but only now. On the 10th of November 2017, that way that man for today, that wicked devil, Paul Mbiang, yeah, that way he come up for there. For Abidjan, whether Macron don't go ahead, the regional airport say, okay, we will see. It declare war on Amazonia. Send the boy there for Manu, for Manfrede. Chicks say so when they don't go, they'll just go crush, they'll just go run over that small boy there. Then the palaver will be finished. This is May 2018. May 2018. For follow move, just follow all the propaganda. Other than self they show last week, how many cough on them, like some 50, 60, something cough on them. Even if not like cough on them, yeah? It means they feel say we keep plenty of them, so no. And if we don't keep plenty of them, why it be say we still there? They never go fight for fee. They will go fight, go call picking them, food them, small picking them, food them. Yeah? Pass through chief food picking them. In the enter for house, then you can't kill them for there. Then talk na this thing, na terrorist them. Who's the weapon the way we catch them then day? You see people had that body just like that for foreign place. So you show these are people who are just innocent. Oh my God. 99 days for Tivman. Yeah. International Court of Justice. It wait owner. All that commandant them, all them, Lila Freak for Bamenda. All them, SDO, all them, chief them, when they did it, they just because the BR and France recover them now. They don't know what happened for the war, they don't know. As it stands now, so, poor BR says better don't they? America already tell you, you know what? They don't mumbu to ye. They don't mumbu to ye, means say, they don't tell you as they tell mumbu to that time, say, so, you know what, man? Your time is up. Start packing your bag. So they don't tell Pabia, say, so, make it pack it back. Pabia no say if you pack it back, who say you go? You go inside. That is a big problem. That France the shame for talk say come for France because France knows that if you don't cross food enter the Europe so then how they call that place for the Hague. Hague no far away from Paris, you know far away. Because with the winter for we court case them. with the way Papa be here. So he knows he never go anywhere. He go wrong go side. Now all that play we already prepare he cabinet day Kondengi. Now for the best player for receive it. And Papa be here. Since he know what it is a Kondengi, you know say Marafa did it. He fear Marafa will beat you. So that way no one go there. Understand? But now for tell us so the fact say with the suffer now, you know me that say that thing will continue. Just look back, Rwanda, the 1 million people they kill for day. But all that generally, all that killer them, they just say they get power. Go a whole match of your hand or a whole gun for your hand, just say you be God. It forgets it so there is a God where now he make you, now he know you, he give you that free will for be a good person, you deserve for be bad. So you face the consequences. So all that soldier them, yeah, time no they can't talk today, so they be send me. They be send me. Ask Nazi soldier the way they be there for Germany, tell they be judged for court, for Nuremberg trials. Ask them what they be talk. Yeah, they be send me. Now I be the follow order. I be the follow order. The truth go come. All that picking the way they go, where I should shoot them so. And one the owner will see shoot them because that's one never finish. But when I go end, you see they will visit when I was shut down inside that prison so. They don't even kill you now because if I'm on a shutdown, then they begin to play that film, make the pass. When I see all after I don't play the film now. When I see all the bad things they don't do, so now they repent for the rest of their life. Maybe God for sort of honor. They're gonna go for some place. Maybe. But coming back for one people that fear, I want back again. Say this so if you do inside interim government, not just because you do inside government now, you don't talk people them. Government normally now humility. For what kind of the work I shout for people that say because the idea for you, the idea don't look favorable. Personally, you think you declare bad for all man. Yeah, maybe so. Scope not be bad idea. But just because they come over for South Africa and South Africa are playing the Milan day, they just declare say scope na South Africa na Milan, so scope na Milan. This you know work so. You know work so. Me, I don't remember for scope, but I noticed that it's a scope na bad idea. I don't see why they get to condemn scope. And again, back to that topic where they encourage people they want to make hate videos, condemning people already, just because the year say, that year say, it go finish me if you know how to correct them. And the big interim government didn't try to address this issue. If it may be important for a while, now but I know this one has some very, very serious problem. For who come to declare person, say they say first not find me. You don't call it, give you any name. Say okay, now that one na francophone, na bambleke, na whatever. You deserve to punish it. So now you go be up a person. The who comes to say Chiroma for South Africa, Milan, meet up Milan. Then they say Milan gets SCBC. But Chiroma go for South Africa, and go try for close SCBC. But when Chiroma na Milan a friend. But they just talk some kind of stupid, some kind of I don't know. Dirty talk, yeah. They didn't think. So if you said Milan and Chiroma they work together, and SCBC na Milan own, and Milan and SCBC worry Chiroma pass mark, except say Chiroma they play Pacha. Now one time say Chiroma they so he like SCBC plenty. He friend Milan, na friend Milan he get them so he the life of Paul. Say they so he go fight them. Look here. Now tell me say that until I the clock scatter for crowds so been have a joke. Yeah, people they think. When IG pass law say you don't talk say the man no work or this thing na them palaver. But you know ban individual. You know ban me. I don't feel me say this so I don't get to write for talk with Milan. I don't get right for talk with Danova if I meet her for some place. I don't get right for talk with another. I be free. If government decides like policy, me government come for itself because they all accept that policy. Now, for example, Secretary Chris, it go launch a radio, a private radio, but that will be problem. Don't accept now one thing to do for support the revolution, which is good. But why I go find there and allow my own go? Why? I don't find it correct. If I will be objective, will be just. Because that when this fight they start 2017 or 16, me I be joining for that beginning. We plenty of we be observer. We usually watch. They invite me. Say we can add one day. Who add one support. Anybody try to if you do. Anybody try. South Africa they come out with SCBC. Me I come out for join for the produce video and for the produce content for television. Then suddenly along the way, somehow can enter government talk say, no, you no be my friend again. You are not a friend of the government, so we'll drop you off. Why? Who don't be more ambassador and pass me? Move first reach Boya. Then for that place now we'll get a functioning court, we'll get a functioning system, everything we will feel going to take place for court, go complain to for about anything we man do. Then you are there for court to come. But maybe now we need all hands on board. We work at the isolation. They make our people that they go, they run. People that they go away from internal government. People that go away from cooperating with others. All man looking friend them. Now, all man look at something with suspicion. Suspicion. No, not be so. If one for go before, one, they will be leader. Person when a leader is supposed to be tolerant. It's supposed for the accept a picking them. When bad of a house, all picking them are picking them. And then we can't talk because anyone is the strong head, because you want to do and they say no my picking again. That kind of bad always end up for trouble. Because I'm picking with the class and I strong head picking so sometimes I tomorrow we can't save you for some situation where it be very embarrassing for you. So picking na picking. That's what people teach me. So all my day for the revelation, passport for give them the room. Like I welcome say this so the we big man Dr. Sako be talk say it will create forum, it will create the means where cooperation will there among the different faction and group them for the way revolution. I dey wait am. But I beg, make them stop with the point out finger for people, then they destroy them because that thing where some man go around talk something they kill me because internal government don't suspend it. You see the breach, people don't know the different level that for go. They never found it guilty. For talk say that suspend him as they say he guilty. He's guilty of nothing because they never prove nothing. They never take off any court. The fact say you don't talk say you know answer question for anything. You give a condition, they never hear that. That one is their palaver. You understand that palaver. So at the moment we accept it as a day, but I feel they so they get to know say French and other this secret this how do you call it again? All the secret service them, they get enough means for film monitor any man. They get enough means. French, I believe say this of France get and be if France want to know exactly what's up with day. It gets secret service the way they're everywhere around this world. It will cooperate even for Nigeria, France had they inside Chong. Yeah, with Shell and all that in France they inside so all you need to bribe people. If you go for all hotels for Abuja, pay all kind of for the civil and tell you say if you see any person can't register with this name for you, just give me a call. What you go have there? That difficulty that go for Nigeria, give it man 5 naira. Say me just give you a call. That's not a problem. There are so many openings where they feel no serious of president. It can't hold meeting. So many. So I find that fact that they only hold me and only point finger and say something they inside. Yeah, and I find that in that palaver say so. The one type of this thing for power balance. America don't get power now. America want for shut up South Africa. That's why I see him, and I don't like him. Because if you continue so, then they go original way and now we choose their own side. We don't want that at all. Because ground zero now we people. Ground zero not choose whether you be America, a diaspora, or be South African diaspora, or be German diaspora. Ground zero don't say this, so will be a brother and sister that will for part of the country when I will give them that support with the navigator on the spot. So I hope they will remain so. Any man get ear, make it hear. Any man get eye, make it see. If man don't like to talk to them, what you say? It is a to go carry me to put inside that mule, how they call them, for grind me to put me on that bus. Well, we will see, because the truth always come out. Any man get ear, make it hear. Any man get eye, make it see. If not, ask question.